You've been told to walk 10,000 steps a day for your health. But if you're over 60, walking alone is failing you. This is sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. Walking is great for your heart, but it does almost nothing to stop your muscles from wasting away.
To kill sarcopenia, you need resistance. You need to pull and push. Today, I'm giving you the 2 most powerful home exercises to build real muscle.
We aren't just moving, we are rebuilding. You don't need a gym, and you don't need fancy equipment.
These 2 moves target every major muscle group in your body to keep you independent and powerful.
Subscribe to Senior Strength. We fight aging with science and sweat. Join our community of strong seniors today.
After 60, you can lose up to 3% of your muscle strength every year. Walking is a stroll. Strength training is the brakes.
Exercise 1 is the wall push-up. This builds your chest, shoulders, triceps, and your entire core.
Stand about 2 feet away from a wall. Place your hands flat against it, slightly wider than your shoulders.
Keep your fingers pointing up. Your hands should be at chest height, not face height.
Slowly lower your chest toward the wall. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Don't flare your elbows out like a T. Tuck them in slightly to a 45-degree angle to protect your rotator cuffs.
Exhale and push yourself back to the starting position. Feel the back of your arms working.
This move builds the pushing strength you need to get up off the floor or open a heavy door.
Aim for 12 slow, controlled reps. If your nose touches the wall, you've gone far enough.
To make it harder, step your feet further away from the wall. This increases the weight on your arms.
Too easy on the wall? Move to a sturdy kitchen counter. The lower the surface, the harder the push.
Don't let your hips sag toward the wall. Squeeze your glutes and pull your belly button in.
You are essentially doing a standing plank while moving your arms. This is total body coordination.
That's the upper body. Now, let's talk about the part of the body that sarcopenia hits the hardest, your legs.
Exercise 2 is the goblet squat. If you only did one exercise for the rest of your life, this should be it. Hold a light weight at your chest. A jug of water or even a heavy book works perfectly.
Holding the weight in front acts as a counterbalance, allowing you to sit deeper and keep your back straighter.
Stand with your feet slightly wider than your hips. Turn your toes out just a little bit.
Imagine there is a chair behind you. Sit your hips back and down. Keep your chest up high.
Look straight ahead. If you look down, your back will round, and we want to keep that spine safe.
Go down as far as your knees allow. Ideally, your thighs are parallel to the floor, but a mini squat is a great start.
Drive through your heels to stand back up. Imagine you are pushing the floor away from you.
Do 10 reps. Take your time. Sarcopenia hates high-tension movements like this.
This builds the powerhouse, your glutes and quads. These are the muscles that prevent falls.
If you feel wobbly, do this in front of a real chair. Touch your butt to the seat, then stand right back up.
Walking is a repetitive, low-force movement. Your body is efficient at it. To build muscle, you need a challenge force.
These weight-bearing moves also pull on your bones, which signals your body to increase bone density.
You have the push and you have the squat. Now, let's talk about how to organize these to see results in 14 days.
Don't just do one and stop. Do them back to back. This keeps the heart rate up and the muscles under stress.
Let's start. Give me 12 wall push-ups. Focus on the squeeze at the back of the arms. Rest for 30 seconds. Shake the arms out. Deep breaths. Pick up your weight. Give me 10 goblet squats. Keep those heels glued to the floor.
Rest again. You might feel a little pump in your muscles. That is blood flow delivering nutrients.
Repeat this circuit 3 times. In less than 15 minutes, you've done more for your longevity than a 2-hour walk.
If your knees click but don't hurt, keep going. If they hurt, reduce the depth of your squat.
Never start cold. March in place for 2 minutes before you begin these exercises to get the oil flowing in your joints.
Get the heart rate up just a little bit. Prepare the nervous system.
You are killing sarcopenia with movement, but you must fuel the repair. You need more protein than you think.
Aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein after this workout. It's the bricks for your new muscle house.
As we age, our bodies become leucine resistant. We need more protein to trigger the muscle building signal.
Many seniors are afraid of lifting, but the heaviest weight you'll ever lift is your own body when you fall.
We train now so that we are never stuck later.
Do this routine every other day. Your muscles don't grow while you work. They grow while you sleep. Once 12 push-ups feel easy, do 13. Or move your hands lower. Always seek the just a little bit harder version.
If the wall push-up feels tight, widen your handstands. Find the pain-free window.
Control the weight. Don't let gravity do the work for you. Holding that weight in the goblet squat also builds your grip. Grip strength is a major predictor of how long you will live.
Strong hands mean a strong heart. It's all connected.
If you're worried about falling during the squat, keep one hand on a table and do air squats instead.
Safety is the priority. We build balance by building strength.
If your heels lift when you squat, your ankles are tight. Put a small book under your heels to help you sit back.
This small adjustment can make the squat feel 100% better on your knees.
After doing these for 2 weeks, notice how much easier it is to carry the groceries. That's functional muscle. No more 2 trips. You are becoming a stronger version of yourself.
Wall push-ups strengthen the upper back, which pulls your shoulders back and kills the hunch.
Good posture is a sign of a strong core.
Sarcopenia makes you feel tired all the time because every movement takes 100% of your power. Strength training gives you a reserve.
Build your muscle battery so daily life only uses 20% of your energy.
Never hold your breath. Inhale on the easy part, exhale on the hard part. Blow the wall away.
This protects your blood pressure during the lift.
Do these in the morning to jumpstart your metabolism and set a strong tone for the day.
Don't watch the scale. Watch the mirror and how your clothes fit. Muscle is denser than fat.
You might stay the same weight, but look and feel completely different.
By day 7, your muscles will feel tighter. By day 14, you will notice you are standing up from chairs faster. I know it's hard to start, but it's harder to lose your independence. You aren't aging out. You are leveling up.
Master the push. Keep the core tight. Protect the shoulders.
Master the sit. Keep the chest up. Drive through the heels.
I'm not saying never walk. I'm saying Stop relying on walking to save your muscles.
When you squat, think about your glutes. When you push, think about your chest. Focus the effort.
You will be sore for the first week. That's called DOMS. It's a sign that your body is changing.
A warm bath and some magnesium can help with the transition. Stick with it.
Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This is when the growth hormone is released to repair the muscles you worked.
Rest is half the battle against sarcopenia.
It's never too late. Studies show people in their 90s can still build significant muscle. Your body is waiting for the signal.
Your potential for strength doesn't have an expiration date.
Think about your why. Is it for your kids? For your travel plans? For your dignity?
Use that why to get through the third set.
More isn't always better. 3 sets of each is plenty. If you do too much, your body can't recover.
10 perfect squats are better than 50 sloppy ones.
You don't have to eat protein within 5 minutes. Just make sure you get enough throughout the day.
You've got this. This is the start of your senior strength journey.
Comment below, what weight are you using for your goblet squats? Let's inspire each other.
Send this video to a friend who only walks. Let's help them get strong too.
If you have a heart condition or severe osteoporosis, check with your doctor before adding weights.
Strength is the foundation of a life well lived.
Don't just add years to your life. Add life to your years.
Nesmarnes, Acre Total Petrod. I'm Name, helping you stay strong for life.
Push, squat, repeat, kill sarcopenia.
See you in the next workout. Ready to eat for strength? Watch this video on the best muscle-building foods for seniors next.